falling rain. Wow. It's telling me I've been. Listen to it, guys. Hi, rubber tree. You are giving me another beautiful leaf. Thank you. So this is it, guys. I talk to my plants like they are my best friends. Because they are. When humans are not around, plants are always gonna be around. Wow, I have to get inside because look at the craziness outside. Look at Cobra Fern. And hello, fiddle leaf. This is my third fiddle leaf, so please grow, grow, grow. And Goldie Eye, hello. Can you tell? What about that one? Hello guys, how are you doing over here? Grow, grow, grow. So we have to change the logo soon. Make it a lot better. Hello girl, how are you? Wow, I think you're reverting. Don't revert back to green, please. And Melanochrysum. Bambino.